Hi guys, you're watching Nupur Bansal on Divine Life Tarot. I really appreciate your presence. And today, as it's a Thursday, what we're gonna do in today's live session, on the request, I'm making this video to help you finding the right guidance according to your issues that you are facing right now. It could be in anything in your life. It could be related to your health, your finance, career, relationship, your mental health, emotional health, whatsoever it is. We're gonna find the solutions accordingly. So what we're gonna do is I'll have 3 piles for you today, or you can choose whatsoever comes to your mind first thing. I'll have 3 cards for you. You can choose whichever card you are drawn to, and then we'll find the right cards according to that particular pile, and it will all be live, so nothing is like predefined. And what we're gonna do is we'll find the answers with the Sai Baba's tarot cards. The healing cards, we're gonna find what all issues you are facing right now and the particular advice. So here we are with the 3 cards I'm gonna put here. So you'll have pile 1, pile 2 and pile number 3. So whichever number you are drawn to, you can choose that particular number. 1, 2 and 3. Close your eyes. Whichever whatsoever draws your attention, you can choose that one, and then we're gonna find the exact answers according to that pile number. So 1, 2 and 3. I hope you have chosen your pile, which one you want. So let's start with pile number 1, 2 and 3. So these are the 3 cards: renewal, unity and 6 of winter. So now we'll find the cards for the first pile, that's renewal. Renewal card shows that right now you need a renewal in everything in your life. You are feeling that everything has been stuck. You're not able to find the solutions, and everything is going against your wishes, or you're not able to find the way. So to what circumstances it is connected to, we're gonna find it with the healing cards, and that I call it as crystal healing. Okay, so I feel the people who have chosen pile number 1, that's this renewal card, you guys are actually facing issues while communicating your exact thoughts and feelings to others. Maybe in your workplace or in your family or in your relationships, you're not able to communicate your exact and real feelings, what you are exactly feeling right now. And if the women are watching this, they have chosen this pile, renewal, I feel most of the women, it will not resonate with every single person out there, as hundreds of people are watching right now. So what I feel that most of you are struggling with thyroid issues or hormonal issues. So if you have this issue, what you can do is you can work on all your chakras, and the crystal that came up for your enhancement is kyanite blue. If you will opt for this crystal and add this to your life, what it's gonna do is it will help you with communication and your spiritual connections. So now the second advice from Chakra Wisdom for renewal pile is recovery. I feel up in your family, or it could be you yourself, that's recovering from any past life or past experience, past betrayal, past health issue. So it is the time for recovery. Take your time off and work on yourself. And let's see for renewal what Sai Baba wants to convey. As it's a Thursday, so it's Sai Baba's day, and we're gonna find the exact advice that Sai Baba would like to give you. For the first pile, it's a rhythmic movement. The card comes up with the 39 number that shows that you need an advice from a senior or a counselor or anybody who's elder in your family. Go for the advice. And secondly, Sai Baba is communicating that it's a rhythmic movement. Life actually flows with good and bad, both of the things, because without good, evil is not there, and without evil, good is not there. So everything goes along with each other. Don't be disheartened, and Sai Baba is actually looking after you. So this is the card for the renewal pile. Now we are coming to second pile, who the people who have chosen the second one, that's the unity. So what does that unity card says? Do the right thing for the right reason. Compare traditional versus new approaches to see which works for you. A spiritually minded community. So unity cards, what I feel you're lacking, the people who have chosen this second pile, they are lacking the unity issues in their family, or it could be their friend circle, their workplace, or it also shows unity with spirituality, the divine. Just unite yourself with divine and you'll find your answers. Let's see what all issues are being faced by the people who have chosen pile number 2, that's unity. All right. So the crystal I got for the people who have chosen unity, that's blue apatite. It works for weight loss, self-confidence and peace. And I believe that the people who have chosen this pile, they are not able to, again that self-expression card has come up, which came up in pile number 1 too. This shows that you are lacking your self-confidence in everything. You're losing confidence in your life. You're not able to find out your self-worth, and you're not able to handle the situations diplomatically. So this crystal would help you come out of that thing. Next, the advice for pile number 2 is confusion. See, self-worth, self-confidence, lack of self-confidence, confusion. You guys are confused. Your own thoughts are the reason behind your own suffering. So you need to work upon your confusion. All your negative thoughts are being surrounded to you, and they are working against you. All the bad energies, negative energies. What exact message I'm getting from this card is, maybe most of you guys are surrounded with any evil eye. It shows the evil eye too. So you need to work on that evil eye, especially if you can. If you need any remedies for that, you can contact me directly. All right, now we'll see Sai Baba's guidance or message for the people who chose pile number 2. Remain centered. Work on your mood swings. Work on your sensitivity. Work on your emotions. Don't exaggerate every situation. If you are being extravagant, you are spending a lot of money on unnecessary things, just stop it, because otherwise you will be ended with a lot of losses. So this is the advice from Sai Baba, and this is the card of 7 number. So what I feel from this card, Sai Baba wants to convey this message to you: beware of your enemies that could be surrounded to you in any form. It could be your thoughts, it could be your friends or your relationship, your partner, anybody. But if you are surrounded with anybody who is betraying you in any form of things, that you need to work upon. And remain centered. Focus on yourself. Work on your self-worth. That came up in this card too. Alright, so I guess this was for pile number 2. Now we'll come to pile number 3, that the people who have chosen 6 of winter. I believe the people who have chosen this pile number 3, though you guys are facing a lot of issues with family issues. If you are female and watching this pile, then I feel that you are struggling with your health issues, especially related to your hormones. your hormones are imbalanced. It could be your root chakra, your uterus, your reproductive parts are being affected if you have chosen this pile. Or you are it may resonate with most of you, or just 50% of you are there. So I feel you are in that phase of life where you are actually traveling from a bad phase to the new phase. And I know it's gonna be very painful for you, but keep your heads up, because that's very, very temporary. The message that this card has: positive changes are on their way. A welcome relief from troubled times, traveling or relocating. Maybe most of you are trying to relocate yourself. Maybe you are trying to change your, your house or your business, or you're trying to relocate everything, but you need to work on the things that needs your attention first. And please be don't be disheartened. I feel 20-30% of the people who have chosen this pile, any elder person or any older person in your family, any family head is not well. You're struggling with their health or any issues with them. So this card conveys it's a very temporary phase, and maybe after October you'll be able to find the solutions from this scenario, and you'll be enlightened to the things that you were actually finding before. So let's see the exact issues. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot this one. Let's see what are the issues or health issues are being faced by the people who have chosen pile number 3. All right. So you'll find, oh my God, you guys are really lucky who have chosen 6 of winter, because you guys have got 2 cards. All right, let's see. Calcite blue and ammonite. All right, so people who have chosen this pile, they are actually struggling with bone related diseases. Your arthritis or spine issues could be there. You could have body pain, or your throat chakra is blocked. Most of you have blood pressure issues, or your any family member has blood pressure issues and they are struggling with that. Unnecessary stress and anger in family and in relationships, and you guys are, I feel, surrounded with very much negative energy, so you need to work upon them. And next, 50% of you has issues with lungs, intestines, and maybe some of you have issues with your ears. You could have ear pain or ear surgery, or your dental issues, or your stomach related issues. Also your business and your career. So most of you are struggling for these issues, from these issues. So the 2 stones that came up are calcite blue and ammonite. So these are 2 crystals that are being advised to you to overcome the issues that you're facing right now. Let's see the advice from Chakra Wisdom, what the angels want to convey you. Discover. Find out the solutions. Don't focus on the problems that you're facing right now. Work on the solutions. When you'll discover all the answers of your problems, you'll be able to find exactly what you want to hear and what exactly you want, what's gonna benefit you. So let's move ahead to Sai Baba's advice for pile number 3. Okay, surrender. 38. Number 38, that's number 2 when it comes to numerology, and it says surrender. Sai Baba's message to you is surrender yourself to your situations. I'm aligning my energies with this universe, and you're gonna find all your solutions. Just surrender to your problems. Don't overthink about these issues you're facing right now, and surrender yourself. So guys, this was a pick a card reading that was requested by one of my prestigious clients, as I was not able to book the appointments on time, as I was I had some pre-bookings and everything was not aligning up. So I guess this reading would help you finding the solutions that you were actually looking for, or any of the advices that you were looking for. And if you want to buy your personal reading, you can directly contact me or message me. Don't forget to follow my page Divine Life Tarot, and if you can share this video with your loved ones who needs to, you think that they might enjoy this reading, or they'll be able to find the solutions or any advices they were looking for since longer, they can get it. So I'll see you guys later. I'll come up with more videos on this page, and stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.